Are you yawning in the middle of this? Did you hear what I said?
Stop listening after you said we need a plan.
Okay, Mr. Clean's on his own page.
See, not winging it isn't really what they do.
What exactly is it that they do?
Kick names, take ass.
Yeah, that's right.
If all we come at him with is a plucky attitude...
Dude, don't call us plucky. We don't know what it means, all right? We're optimistic. I like your plan, except it sucks, so let me do the plan, and that way it might be really good.
Tell them about the dance-off to save the universe.
What dance-off?
Like in Footloose, the movie?
Exactly like Footloose. Is it still the greatest movie in history?
It never was.
Don't encourage this, all right? We're getting no help from Flash Gordon here.
Flash Gordon? That's a compliment.